Let's everyone get all the resources and welfare. Today we have to see about the quantifier. What is the quantifier? Let's see now. Come on, let's go. In that circle, there is no apples. So you say none of the apples. None. The word none refers quantifiers. Just you have to think about this. The word none refers quantifiers. Look at the picture. There is only one apple in the circle, so you have to say one of the apples. One of the apples. The one, the word refers quantifier. How to say? Again you have to say one of the apples. Don't say two of the apples. You say a couple of the apples. Couple. A couple is the quantifier. A couple of the apples. Don't say two of the apples. Don't say three of the apples. You say a few of the apples. A few is the quantifier. A few of the apples. Don't say three of the apples. You say a few of the apples. Don't say four of the apples. You say half of the apples. You say half of the apples. Don't say six of the apples. You say most of the apples. You say most of the apples. Most it refers quantifier. Don't say eight of the apples. You say all of the apples. You say all of the apples. You say all of the apples. These are all called quantifiers. Okay, just keep in your mind. Bye bye. Here also there are so many circles are given it here. Just you have to recall that and practice it again and again so you can memory it very easily. This is the way you can practice it. Okay, bye bye. See you.